Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do this patch design. You can use this patch design for a placket or for a pocket, whatsoever you want to do. That's what you can use this patch design to do. You can use multiple color, 3 color, 4 color, 5 color, 6, as many as you want, but here I'm just going to use this yellow and this turquoise blue. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up. It's as simple as that, just a thumbs up, and let's get straight into the tutorial and smash the like button. Actually, okay, so just a quick update. After I fold the placket, this is what the placket is going to look like in my hand. You can see, so I'm going to take you guys through the process of folding this step by step and joining it. You can see the down part. This is what that is going to look like. So here is my fabric. You can see what I have in my fabric. Just cut maybe exactly the length of your fabric that you want to use for your collar. So here the total wideness I have here is 5 inches. I'm still going to trim it, and I'm going to take you guys through the process of doing that. And this is my main placket size. Depending on whatever size you want to make, you can make it as large as 5 inches, but here I'm working with a length of 16 inches and the wideness is 1/4 of an inch. So at this down part, this is where I'm going to be attaching the patch, right? So here I'm just working with the brown, the main fabric, this yellow and this turquoise blue, as you guys can see right here. So here the first thing I'm going to do is to simply patch it to the fabric. So now the the yellow, make sure you're working with the right side. So this is the wrong side of my fabric, so I'm going to face it to the right side. You can see that. So I'm going to simply stitch it to the right side of my fabric, how I want it to align, so you can see that. So I'll take this to the sewing machine now and I'm going to stitch it. So after stitching that, I'm going to stitch the turquoise. You can see here, this is what I have here. So first, before I stitch the second one, I'm going to iron it and open that place down. I've been working since morning. Sorry that my hand is dirty on this video. I'm really sorry about that. So here you can see, after getting that, I'm going to simply stitch the other side to the fabric just from this side. You can see I'm going to run a stitch all the way down. Even if you want to still add another color, you can still continue doing it zigzag like that till you get whatever you want. So I'm going to open this one and do the stitching. So let me take this to the same machine and do the stitching now, so I can show you guys the result. So here, after the stitching, you see what I have. I just stitch it directly on top of the fabric. I'm going to simply trim that part out. You can see that. So inside, this is what we're going to be having here. You see that? So right here, this is what the inside is going to look like. You can see that. If you still want to continue on the color, you still want to be adding more fabric, more color to it, you can continue. But so far, this is how far I want to do this. You see what I have here? So now the next thing I'm going to do is the upper part also. I wanted to add the green and the yellow, the turquoise blue, sorry. It looks like green, but it's blue. Turquoise blue and the yellow, I also want to add it at the top part as well. So make sure you get your accurate length. So now you can see that I have my length and there's still space. After, you can see, depending on what you want to do this downside, you can see what I'll be having. That's where I'm going to be folding. So we're going to actually fold this together. You can see, depending on what you want to reflect, I just want the turquoise to just show a little bit and the yellow to also show a little bit. That's where you're going to make sure you place your collar stay. You can see that. But first, at the top part, I also want to still add both the green and the I see still green, both the blue and the yellow at that top also. So I'm just going to cut a straight piece of fabric that I'll be using. First, I will be applying the yellow, then I'm going to apply the blue next. So here you can see this. I'm going to make sure you're working with the right side of the fabric. I'm going to place this right here, and I'm going to stitch it straight. Then I'm going to also stitch this blue after it. So it's going to be like this at the top of the placket. So you guys can see that. It's actually very simple. So I'll take this to the sewing machine now and do the stitching. Then we can continue with the design. So this will actually reach the top. Make sure you're calculating the... So this is what I'm having here. You see that? So first I'm going to open this and iron it down. Make sure it's as flat as possible before we place our interfacing and do the folding. So this is what I have here. You see that? So now I'm going to place my interfacing. Make sure you cut that exactly the wideness that you want. This is 1/4 of an inch. It's not too wild. So this is what I'm going to be having. You can see that. So I'm basically going to iron this down, make sure it is flat. Then I'm going to do the folding. So let me do the folding. So this is what I'm going to be having here. So far, you see this is what the placket is going to look like. I already did several videos on how to fold the placket, so I just want to show you guys the patching. In case you want to see that video, a link will be under this video. Go ahead and check the video on how to fold the placket and how to fix it to a senator. So after folding it, the next thing we are going to do is basically to fix it to our outfit. So I already do the first placket, so the smaller placket, which is going to be the underneath placket. So now I'm just going to simply fix it to our outfit. See what I have so far. Just it is very clean plackets and looking very nice. You can see that. So let me show you guys the final result after stitching it. So this is what we're going to be having. As you guys can see right here, it's actually very clean and sleek design. You can see that turquoise on the tip of the placket and also on the down part of the placket. And also you can do the same thing on your pocket. Basically the same process. It's as simple as that. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe. In case you want to join my intensive class, a link will be in the description below. Also, if you're interested in being my student, you want to come physically to learn at my workshop, a link will also be to contact me. I have a physical school. I have an accommodation. You can register, be in my school, learn everything. 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. That's the maximum I do. So I will see you guys on my next video. Do have a lovely day. Enjoy yourself and watch this next video on the screen.